Have you ever wondered what makes a dish visually appealing and flavorful at the same time? The answer lies in the age-old art of vegetable cuts. The expert slicing and dicing of vegetables is a fundamental skill in the world of culinary arts, transforming simple ingredients into visually stunning, mouth-watering dishes. Starting with the Julienne Cut, a method that involves slicing vegetables into thin, uniform strips. These slender pieces add a touch of elegance to dishes, enhancing their texture and ensuring even cooking. Then, there's the Brunoise cut, where vegetables are finely diced into tiny cubes. This cut provides a subtle flavor and texture to sauces, soups, and garnishes. The bâtonnet cut, a sibling to the julienne, yields long, slender sticks of vegetables, perfect for dishes that require a more substantial bite. Next up is the paysanne cut, which creates thin, coin-like slices of vegetables that add visual appeal and bursts of color to soups, stews, and sautés. Switching gears to the chiffonade cut, here leafy greens are rolled tightly and sliced thinly into delicate ribbons, used as elegant garnishes for various dishes. The mirepoix cut, a cornerstone of French cuisine, is a mix of diced onions, carrots, and celery that form the flavor base of many dishes. The tourne cut requires a lot of precision and skill, transforming root vegetables into small, seven-sided, oblong shapes. In the concassé cut, tomatoes are peeled, seeded, and diced into small, uniform pieces, used in sauces, salsas, and bruschetta. The macédoine cut involves dicing vegetables into small, uniform cubes, adding texture and color to a variety of dishes. The oblique cut involves slicing vegetables at a 45-degree angle to create elongated, diamond-shaped pieces, enhancing presentation and promoting even cooking. The rondelle cut produces round slices of vegetables, perfect for layering in dishes. In the floret cut, vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower are separated into small, bite-sized florets, adding texture and flavor to a variety of dishes. Finally, the supreme cut involves removing citrus segments from their membrane, resulting in clean, pith-free pieces of fruit. In conclusion, mastering these vegetable cuts is a gateway to elevating your culinary skills. Each cut serves a purpose, contributing to the visual appeal, texture, and flavor of the dish. Whether it's the delicate ribbons of a chiffonade cut or the precision of the tourne cut, these techniques are the hidden secrets behind every delicious and visually appealing dish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so grab that knife and start experimenting with these cuts today.